Hey everyone, it's your girl Karaleise. Welcome. I want to invite you to Insightful. It's our live business analyst workshop where we'll be learning about how to elicit requirements. So when you get a first project and you're given this task to come up with the requirements, how do you make sure you have accurate requirements? How do you confirm that you're writing the right thing so that the entire team can know exactly what to build? So we're going to talk about that in our upcoming Insightful, and we're going to be working through 3 projects. So the first project will be about a new software build. How do you make sure you have all the requirements that you need? What are the steps you need to go through? Or if you're working on a project that the software already exists, but you need to fix something in there, you need to add a new little enhancement, how do you do the requirements solicitation for just adding something to an existing software? Or if you're just implementing an off-the-shelf solution and it's just a configuration, what's the requirements then, right? What do you do if you're not building it? What do you write user stories about? How do you work with it, right? So these are the 3 types of projects that we're going to focus on. It's going to be a practical session. We're going to get hands-on. It's live. You can ask questions. This is not a webinar that you sit back and watch. This is why you get involved. You ask questions, you get clarification. And in this particular Insightful, we're going to switch it up a bit, where we're going to focus on the practice. So it's not going to be a bunch of theory that you're like, okay, yeah, I've seen some of this before, but I still don't know how to do it. You will walk away knowing how to elicit requirements for your project so that you can deliver high quality requirements and gain the respect of your peers. And if you don't have a job and you're going up for an interview, you will walk away understanding how this process works, so you can talk about it in your interview and hopefully land the job. All right? So we're going to be working together. I'm here to help you. I am Karaleise, and I want you to come join me at Insightful. Thank you.